This is the software development outsourcing as a driver of IT market in Russia. At the end of the communism and the days of the planned economy, the story of the Russian IT was begun years ago. Thousands of highly qualified engineers and scientists working in institutes on national defense and space exploration projects were left out of work. When the USSR collapsed, this created a unique market opportunity in the country. A pool of highly skilled technical personnel, engineers, software developers, system architects available for a very low price, sometimes for 10 times less than the corresponding labor force in the West. For clients in the US and Europe, it was the ideal moment to launch an outsourced software development center. The 1990s saw many outsourcing companies established to meeting demand. Rexsoft among them when the outsourced did. They were high-tech islands in a sea of a turbulent domestic economy. Most of the outsourcing companies work for foreign customers, from Western Europe and USA. This was because the software industry in Russia had undergone a Great Depression and domestic demand for IT services was nearly non-existent. In Russia, it was a surreal atmosphere in the first capital was accumulated. Public assets were plundered, crime and corruption flourished. In the middle of the havoc, men and women with MSCs and PhDs were solving the most complex software development tasks for international clients. These communities became a cornerstone of the Russian IT ecosystem. It was a Russian IT talent reservoir, but cooperation with world market leaders. This accumulated business knowledge was transferred to the local market, giving birth to the new information technology. In a few years, many of them look like private business incubators. It was a two-pronged process. Both the management of the development centers and interested in good investments nurtured the new projects, while their employees looking for an entrepreneurship opportunity created their own startups. Business acknowledgement or knowledge accumulated in the international projects combined with the Russian engineers that is excellent at information technology skills and brought forth a tremendous harvest of local product IT companies. Rexsoft alone bore 6 startups from its crisis and the reviving domestic industry started to provide a stable local demand for IT services. The Russian economy recovered. The outsourcing companies have served the basis of the product sector and the development. The software development companies now turn to Russian clients. Some of them merged or entered into partnership with system integrators. Some of them established their own departments of SI or IT consulting, pursuing the goal of creating a one-stop shopping point for the customer. To the local market, the process of shifting in the international experience and the global best practices, about a third of Russian IT outsourcing company revenue the local clients generated, with the rest coming from overseas clients. 30% of the revenue from the local market is not much, which demonstrates